Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is just after 9 o'clock in the morning and I've just arrived at my gym. I'm going to be doing a 1-hour pump class today. So that's a full body workout using weights. So by the end of the workout, you feel a burn through your entire body. This is how I love to start my day, waking up fresh, getting some exercise in. I woke up at about 8 o'clock this morning and I haven't eaten anything. I love to go to the gym fasted and then I come home and will eat something that's going to nourish my body. So pump classes are something that I've recently got back into and have been really loving because I do feel like it benefits your entire body. So let's head on inside. I'll try and capture some of it if I can, and then I'll see you guys after my workout.
What is your plan? Why do you do it, man? I don't know why I pursue it. I don't know why I pursue it.
What is your plan and why do you do it, man? I don't know why I pursue it. When I get angry, I just do it more. Then they hate and now answer the door. I've been out banging and banging, I'm bored. I've been out thinking and waiting for tour. They've been out meeting and creeping with wars. Well, I've been out practicing breeding the cards. Yeah, it feels nice, right? Making these bangers all night. Popping and fizzle like Sprite. Shopping for Skittles while she giggles twice. Looking so sexy, making a taxi. Cracking her open, popping the Pepsi. This is so messy, don't even test you. What is he saying? This is so deadly. What is your plan and why you make hitters? Damn, I don't know why they so triggered. I've been out making these bangers for days. Well, they've been off standing and staying in place. Pointing at me and I'm pointing right back. Moisten this pussy, I'm ointment in fact. Having me dreams as I'm poisoning rap. Making the cream as I'm voicing a laugh. Yeah. Who is this kid and where is he from? What is this shit and what has he done? Talking the shit, what is he dumb? Yeah, I'm having fun. This is his plan, it all seems so simple. Reading his hand, it looks like so simple. Thinking again, it's cheesy with impulse, man. Give him the signal. What is your plan and why do you do it, man? I don't know why I pursue it. When I get angry, I just do it more. Then they hate and now answer the door. I've been out banging and banging, I'm bored. I've been out thinking and waiting for tour. They've been out meeting and creeping with wars. Well, I've been out practicing breeding the cards. Yeah, it feels nice, right? Making these bangers all night. Popping and fizzle like Sprite. Shopping for Skittles while she giggles twice. Looking so sexy, making a taxi. Cracking her open, popping the...
Okay guys, I am back from the gym now. I ended up getting into my workout class and it had surprisingly been cancelled. They were fixing up the air cons or something for the gym, so I ended up just doing my own full body workout in the classroom, which ended up being really good. I got a good sweat on. I did about a 45-minute workout. It ended up being kind of nice because it gave me an opportunity to film some of it for you guys, but for now I am home, I am very sweaty, and we're gonna get into making some food. Alrighty, so we are back in my kitchen now, and this is my favorite time of the day when I get home from the gym and I can finally eat. So it is 11:25 now, so I'll normally go to the gym first thing in the morning and then I'll come home and I'll do intermittent fasting till at least 10 a.m. and then I'll make breakfast. So the first thing that I'm going to start off with though is a probiotic drink. So my gut health is something that is really important to me. Most people know now that the gut actually controls the brain and the gut has a lot to do with how we feel. I have a really sensitive gut because I had a gallbladder procedure a couple of years ago and it really messed with my digestive system. So I've been trying to have a probiotic every single morning. I'll normally have my probiotic drink before I actually have any food, and that way my stomach is prepped for when I do actually feed myself. So the probiotic drink that I've been trying out recently is the Sarah's Day Body Bloom, and this is in collaboration with Toppica. So it says here that the benefits of Body Bloom are promotes glowing, healthy, smooth skin, which I need as much help with as I can, plays a part in restoring a happy, healthy gut, collagen support for healthy skin, hair and nails, promotes a comfortable digestive system, which this gal needs, helps feed beneficial bacteria, a good source of beneficial bacteria, and plays an essential role for collagen and keratin production, so keeping our skin and hair the most beautiful that they can be. So what I do is I just take sort of 1 teaspoon of this and mix it into some cold water. I like to add some ice as well, and then I'll just sip on that during the morning. So now on to breakfast. I actually had no idea what I was going to make this morning, but I think I'm going to make some protein oat pancakes. Normally I would just do like a bowl of oats or maybe a protein smoothie or something after the gym. This is a great way to make you feel like you're having a bit of a treat in the morning, but it's actually going to nourish your body, give you lots of protein to build and support your muscle growth after the gym, and overall make you feel really good. So let's jump in and make some pancakes. So to make these protein oats, you're not going to need that many things. I've got out here my oats, I've got some vanilla protein powder. You can use whatever protein you wish and whatever flavor. Some ripe, easy to mash bananas, and then anything extra that you want to include. So I've got some Bukinis to add some texture, some psyllium husk to help with digestion, some cacao nibs to give it a little bit of crunch and some chocolatey goodness to it, and I have some collagen, skin, hair, and gut health powder. So the first thing that we're going to do is take one ripe banana, and I'm just going to peel this and then mush it up into pieces in our mixing bowl here. You want to use a ripe banana so that it's really easy to mash up, and it's also going to give you a really nice sweet taste. So once your banana is all mushed together and looks something like this, we're going to add in our oats. I'm just taking a little 1/4 cup scoop and adding those oats straight to the bananas. Then I'm going to add 1 serve of vanilla protein. Then I'm adding 3 scoops of psyllium husk. Then just a handful of Bukinis. Then some cacao nibs. And then I'm going to add in 1 serve of the Collagen Beauty Skin, Hair and Gut Health. This stuff is so good for like making your skin look amazing and glowy and keeping all of your acne and stuff at bay. And then we're just going to mix this through. So that is what our mixture is looking like now. If it is a little bit dry, you can add a bit of water, but I find that if you have 1 large ripe banana, it's mushy enough. So now I've come over to my hot pan, and I'm just going to spray it with a little bit of coconut oil spray. If you've got non-stick pans, you don't really need anything. And then I'm just going to start scooping our mixture into the pan. Keep in mind that because these are like natural, healthier pancakes, they're not going to be the exact same texture as normal pancakes, and because they are banana, they will cook quite quickly. So when they start sizzling and they start smelling really good, I give them a quick flip. Oh, this one is a bit burnt. So now that they're ready, I'm just going to plate them on a nice plate. They do look a little bit burnt, but I think I just put them on at too high of a heat this time. So now that my pancakes are done, I like to dress them with a whole bunch of things. Today I'm going to be using the Queen sugar-free maple flavored syrup. I love this stuff. You could also add some honey if you wanted. I just prefer to use the sugar-free maple flavored syrup because it gives you the feeling that you're having like real pancakes, and obviously it's nowhere near as calorie dense. Then I'm going to add a little sprinkle of fine desiccated coconut, and then as you guys know, I love Bukinis, so I'm going to add some more and some more cacao nibs, and then I'm going to also add some frozen raspberries. And that right there is the end of our healthy protein oats, and I'm going to go tuck into these now. Something else that I love to do every day is practice some gratitude. Now, a lot of people talk about this and most people don't actually know what it means to practice gratitude, but it's a great way to start off your day and be thankful for the things that we already have in this life. It's so easy in the modern world to get caught up in what we don't have and what we want to have, but it's important to sit down, reflect on what we do have, and start our day off fresh with a positive attitude. So I have these little cards here. These were gifted to me on Christmas by my mum. So each day I'll just randomly pull one out. So this little quote here says, "The achievement of your goal is assured the moment you commit yourself to it." So I have my little book here, and I try and write one of these every single day. I have been a little bit slack because I've had a really busy week, but I open up to this and then I like to write my own interpretation of what this little card means and how I'm going to reflect on it throughout the day. So the achievement of your goal is assured the moment you commit yourself to it. So I've written my interpretation here. I've just said I will achieve my goals if I commit myself to them. So doing everything that I can. Things don't just come to you quickly, you have to work for them. So writing your own interpretation is going to give you a better personal understanding of what these cards mean, and it also makes you reflect a little bit more deeply on what they're actually saying. Something that I love doing when I'm just chilling around the house and I know will always put me in a good mood is I'll pop on a really good playlist. So I just use Spotify to do this. I'll listen to whatever I'm feeling like on the day, something like Happy Mornings or something, but today I'm feeling like a bit of Billie Eilish. I love her stuff when I just want to be chilling around the house, so I'm going to put a bit of that on and get to my day. So something that I love to do when I want to have a really productive day is make sure that my space is tidy. I'm one of those people that when my space is messy, so is my mind. I'm not productive and I'm not going to be happy during the day if I'm in like a cluttered, messy space. And so I always make sure that if I want to have a productive, happy day, I do a quick tidy up, make sure my house is clean, and that way I know that I'm going to be far more productive for the rest of the day. So we're in my beauty space slash study right now, and it doesn't look too bad. I generally keep my house pretty clean, but it is fairly cluttered. So I'm just going to spend 15 minutes now giving it a quick tidy up, and that way later when I come to do work, I can sit down, relax, and get stuff done. Nice and clean, and I know I can come back here and be my most productive self. So something that I always make sure to do when I want to have a good day is wear something that I feel good in. So because I did go to the gym this morning and I am just hanging out mostly at home today, I've kept my gym wear on. This little set is just from Gymshark. I can't remember the exact name, but I'll make sure to leave it on the screen somewhere or pop it down in the description box below. So gym wear seems like a bit of an unusual one, but I actually feel really good when I'm just in my gym wear, and I feel most myself in my gym wear, so I don't actually mind staying in this for the rest of the day. But if you guys are going to be heading out, or if you're doing something, or if you're going to work even, pop something on that you feel really good in, something that you feel confident in. And I know it's not about what's on the outside, it's how you feel on the inside. I guarantee if you feel good on the outside, you're going to feel so much better on the inside as well, and feel so much better about yourself, and people are going to see that. So it's important that you pop something on, feel confident, and show everyone how you feel. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to take Tilly for a walk. One of my best tips for you guys is if you're feeling a little bit gloomy, or you feel like a little bit down and you've been stuck inside all day, get outside in nature, go for a walk, even just sit outside in the sunshine, sit outside, enjoy a cup of tea. Anything that's going to get you out of the house is going to make you feel so much better. Try and stay off your phone, try and stay off social media, try not to be distracted, and just appreciate everything that's around you. I love to take Tilly for a walk because it's good for me and it's going to be good for her. One of those people that gets a little bit bored when you're walking, or if you're bored at home even, what I've been doing lately is listening to a podcast. It's something that I found really positive for my mindset, and it's also kept me really entertained. I listen to like-minded people, people that inspire me, people that I have similar interests in, and I find it really beneficial, so much better than just sitting on social media scrolling through or something like that. It's productive, it's informative, and it's just a really good way to make you feel good. So these are the podcasts that I've been listening to recently. I love Healthy-ish. It's by Body and Soul. There's Rise and Conquer, which is Georgie Stevenson's podcast, and then The Health Code, which is Sarah Day and her partner Kurt's podcast. They all obviously have a really similar theme. They're sort of based around like wellness, healthy lifestyles, eating well, and just stuff that makes you feel really good mentally. So I have a whole bunch of work that I have to do today, so I'm gonna get stuck into some emails and things. We also had our engagement party on the weekend, so I've got lots of like thank you messages to send out. Hopefully by now I will have my engagement video up, so if it is, I'll link it down below in the description box if you wanted to check that out. But yeah, for now I'm just going to try and be as productive as possible, get as much work as I can done today, so that tonight I can just try and relax. Alright, I'm off now to a yoga class. I go do yoga at least once a week at my gym, and it's an hour-long session. Yoga is something that I am so passionate about and that I love doing. I try and do it as often as I can, but with my shift work it can be difficult to get to classes, but it is something that I find so good for my mental health. I've been doing yoga now for a really long time, since I was like 10 or 12, and I used to go with my parents when they used to do it. So mindfulness to me is something that has come as like second nature, and I know if I need to unwind, that yoga is going to help me do that. Obviously yoga is really good for our mind and for like switching off and relaxing, but it is also really good for me as well, because I go to the gym like 4 or 5 times a week at least, and my body gets very sore and very tight. So yoga is a great opportunity to stretch it out and just relax a little bit, and also work on your body in different ways that you're not used to in the gym. It's a really good way to tone up and at the same time practice your mindfulness skills. is the end of the video today. I really hope you did enjoy it. But if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up for me. And let me know down in the comments what you guys do to have a really productive, positive day. And any tips that you guys might have. Make sure to let me know down in the comments as well what you thought of the video and any future videos that you would like me to film. If you guys are new to my channel or haven't already, make sure to hit subscribe down below and also hit the bell notification button to be notified every time I upload a video. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.